Meow. Okay, so cat eyes. Watch them appear. So I'm just getting the feel for that swoop I want for the top of the eye before I put pencil to paper. Sometimes it's a lot easier to turn the paper. And again, that nice swoop. Feel it out first. In this case, I felt like I didn't do it right, so I tried to fix it and kind of made a mess, but hey, that's part of learning, and it'll be fine in the end. It would be great to have you in our cat art Facebook group, and you will find the link for that in the video description below. Contemplation time. So there's nice dark lines around cat's eyes that really help them stand out. Now here, I'm keeping in mind that that eyeball is round and feeling it out as I go. You'll see more here what I mean. So I take this line down, and then I kind of draw in the air where the eyeball continues, where we can't see it. So like that, and then up, and it would continue up there too, hiding behind the skin and bones for protection. And near the end of the video, I'll kind of show you more what I mean by that. I do the same thing with the pupils. So here I'm going to really show you, because I find it easier to get the proper shape if I do that. I usually don't do it quite as dark, but just to show you. We'll get rid of the extra lines later. Now I'm just kind of refining the shapes of those eye sockets. The edges of the eye sockets, I guess. I'm not sure of the exact words for each part. I just know how to draw them. I try anyways. Never hesitate to take advantage of a better angle for drawing. Turn your paper if you have to. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a video. Hit the little bell for notifications. Measuring things out here. So the length of one eye will go in the middle of the eye. It's usually about one eye length in the middle. This one's a little bit shorter, but I'm not going to fret too much about it, because it could just mean that the cat's head is turned back a bit that way, and it just helps add character. Do what works for your own style. Here's where I show you how the roundness of the eye actually extends past the edges of what we see. Be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you want to learn most about cat drawing, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.